So for today's video, I'm going to be comparing the Panda and the Dragon box for those of you who don't know which one to get. So I'm going to be breaking them down. They're pretty much the same box and pretty much the same price, but I'm going to show you what they have to help you make your choice on what you want to get. So first off, they have the artillery shells and then the festival balls. Pretty much the same thing in both packs, so I'll take those off. Artillery shells, festival balls. Here you got the artillery shells, festival balls. I don't have to open them up because they're the exact same thing. And then also the 2-inch artillery shell. Oh wait, oh that's okay. Ooh, this one kind of heavy. Same thing now. Also come with the Happy 49 shots. Both the same thing. Now one thing this one comes with that one doesn't is the Poppets 3 packs. So also Cloud Dragon, Big Snow. If I can just grab this. And the Yellow Bee. Also come in this pack, so still the same. Those are fountain aerials. So also the same thing in that pack. Those are kind of heavy actually. This one comes with the Twitter glitter fountain, where this one comes with the friendship fountain pretty much instead. So, to tell you the truth, comparing these side by side, they're really, this weighs like literally nothing. This is a tiny bit heavier, but they both pretty much weigh nothing. And then here, you're gonna get a Happy 25 shots as well. Tiny little thing. Look at that. Not too heavy. I'm not sure if it's like the same thing as the Happy 49. Also, whoa, look at, holy shit. Whoa, that is bad. Wow, that is really damaged. You get a dragonfly fountain. Not sure if I can use that. So the thing that really makes this dragon box my favorite is these right here. This is probably the best thing in the entire pack. The XL Roman candles. Those things are nice. I'll have to do a video on them. As opposed to the Panda box, you get these. You know, I'll compare those side to side, so you can see obviously how much longer they are. And then too, just here, these are a lot thicker too. So that's something you do get. You get 2 of those in the Dragon box. In the Panda box, you get 2 of these, so you get 8 candles. They're 10 shots each. You also get a Color Pro in this Panda box. You're gonna get Chinese New Year and a Happy New Year from the Dragon box, and then Chinese New Year from the Panda. So these are pretty much the same thing. You can look at them right there. Like literally the same exact thing, just wrapped differently. So yeah, those are both pretty decent cakes. I'll give them that. And so in the Dragon box, you'll get a Saturn Missile 100 shot, but in the Panda box, you'll get 4 separate 25. So it's the same amount, but personally, I like the 25s better because then you could shoot them separately and choose how much you want to shoot at once instead of doing it all at once. So that I do like about it. You get a sound mine in here, and then a glitter mine. Here, what do you get instead? Oh, what do you know? You actually do get a Chinese New Year in here, as opposed to that Chinese New Year. So okay, you do get a Chinese New Year. I'll get back to those in a second. You also get a White Tiger 7-shot. So it looks like, you know, that could be decent. I'll give them that. Alright, so let's get to these now. These final ones. And I want to break them. First, you get a butterfly fountain. Doesn't really weigh much. And then with the Panda box, also get 2 dancing butterfly fountains. They're always going to come squished, you know, that's just the way you're going to get it. So that was missed to this side. Alright, so let's break these down pretty much. So you get 2 garden springs with the Panda box. So let's set one aside, so you also get a garden spring with a dragon box. So then you also get a blue star with the reports here. Desert at night here. That's a fountain and aerial. I'd say probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 little shots, and then the fountain's in the middle. This one, pretty much the same thing, just rewrapped. And then here, you get 2 kaleidoscopes, 8 shots, they look decent. Here instead, you get the sound mine, that one's okay. And then the glitter mine, that one's okay, I did a video of that one. And then you get another blue star with reports. So, this is what you get in the dragon box, and this is what you get in the Panda box. To tell you the truth, the one I recommend, just looking at them, I don't know, it's honestly a hard choice. Really, I would say probably the no, probably the Panda box. I'm gonna say that because you get 80 shots worth of Roman candles. Now those Roman candles are amazing, but you only get 2 of them. What are they, like 8 shots each maybe? Or maybe 5, something like that. You know, those are really nice, but you know, kind of have to go with these. So pretty much, to wrap it up, I would recommend the Panda box. Also, for comparison, they're the same exact size, and then you see what they come with there. So I would recommend the Panda box. In my next videos, just let me know what you want to see. I'll probably be shooting some of this stuff off. So until next time.